How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Sony 16mm F1.8 G lens. This is for the full frame Sony bodies right here. Let's go ahead and pop this one on open, and then I will put it on my Sony a7 IV that I just got as well. We'll go ahead and open that up. Besides the lens itself, there is a bunch of paperwork and stuff included. I'll quickly show you. Yeah, okay, there you go. That's your quick showing. Don't really care about that. That's everything else included in the box. So we'll put the box aside, grab the lens itself, put that packaging aside. So it does come with the lens hood right here. So let's go ahead and pop that off. So it just twists off. There's no button or anything by any looks of it. So we have our back cap right here, your Sony back cap. We do have it with the metal all around. There is no weather seal by the looks of this one because it's just your standard one. You need the GM lenses with the seal on there. And on the front, there's your Sony cap for it. And it is a 67mm thread on that one. And that's what it looks like in there. And then from the side of it, we do have the clicky on and off right here. So it is on. So if I click on, there we go. I don't really feel any difference right there. Iris lock button on there. I think we have to actually power it on to get the feel of that. Autofocus manual switch, and we do have a custom button on there, and we have the G logo on there as well. But yeah, really small, light feeling lens to it. We'll go ahead and put the lens hood on right here. There we go, that clips on nicely. So that's what it looks like with your lens hood on. And then I will grab my brand new Sony a7 IV and we'll go ahead and throw this on right away right here. So we'll take that off. And then just like any of the lenses, you have the little white piece right there, which you will align right up to the top right there. So you can see that little white mark right there. So when you put them on, you wanna align those together. There we go. And then you'll twist and click. And that's just how it looks like on the body of the Sony a7 IV.